Aku por waklat ke Bynta te. Ia berok sangut ya rak kesenduk cengkah. Tang bopet Bynta buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng cencar am. Tip syuk kan Nong kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita ki nong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau hamokam hilaban pun long ki kathong ko jongpi ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma ba ka advanced diploma course
Ka sarkar pedeng kala pentep syaka Supreme Court bagi don ars pa khanyongot ki Nong India ki bala lej ban yasnokti bat ki sipai Russia ban Ïakhun Thma Pyrshah ya ka Ukraine bat nakinie sau phundai ngot kila yap bat shispa lai phundai ngot bat kila ino bat ka sarkar kadang yakran ban lej shaw no yaki na Russia. Ka Ministry of External Affairs kala pentep syaka Supreme Court baka Russia kala ajingken ban rewot kila jarngai bat arpulai ngot pat kimlap dien shu shanugidon. Ki bahayeng jongki, ki lakano baka sarkar India kamsyam lalay ay banwanyalam no yaki. Henry ka sarkar kala juba baka jekran bat karasya kalong kabana kapor sya kapor ban penpay no yaki. Ka sarkar kala juba pru baka daw baki Nong India ki leit ban Ïakhun Thma na ka Bynta karasya. Kaday namar baka rasya ka turway ki da ka song pisa ka bahe. Ha ringkat ka jingsiyo baylut kesan sya ki bahayeng lada ja ay yaki. Ka terwaru bakila banlong ki Nong Song Snong bapura jong karasya.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.